Hey guys, this is Manoj and welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about blogging and its benefits. Today we will talk about why Blogger is one of the best platform for newbies to start blogging. Different bloggers have different needs and different blogging platforms are good for different things. Ultimately, best will depend on you and your situation. But as far newbies are concerned, we recommend them to use Blogger as their first blogging platform. And there is a reason that we are recommending Blogger for newbies. So let's start this video and see why Blogger is best for newbies. As we have said earlier that being a newbie, you should always prefer Blogger as your first blogging platform, and we have 5 important reasons to explain you about its importance. The first point is easy to use. If you are newbie in this field, then it is very obvious that you will not have any technical knowledge, and in this meantime, if you find any blogging platform which is very simple and easy to set up, then it will be dream come true. And the best part about Blogger is it fulfills each and every criteria. Making a blog on Blogger is very simple. It has a similar looking post editor like Windows WordPad. Also, customization becomes very easy so that you can easily drag and drop widget from the layout area. Whether you want to customize your blog appearance, SEO settings, post layout and many other things, it all can be operated through dashboard settings. These things make Blogger easy to use and easy to understand for a newbie. The second point is security. Blog security is one of the most important thing for every blogger. Whether you are newbie or experienced, as far as security is concerned, you should know Blogger platform is owned by Google and it becomes almost impossible to hack into their servers. So keeping that in mind, we can also say that hacking Blogger or your blog also becomes a difficult job to do. And this all comes for free and you don't have to pay a single penny to protect your blog. Also, Blogger has recently introduced SSL security for their blogs for free of cost. In other hand, if you want to make a blog on WordPress, then it becomes headache to protect your blog from hackers. Also, it is a quite expensive thing to do. The third point is zero investment. Blogging can be expensive if you are using any other blogging platform, but in Blogger, most of the necessary things are free. Here we are talking about that things which are mandatory to start a blog, like free hosting, free theme, free blogspot domain, free SSL certificate. So starting a blog in Blogger is like starting a business with zero investment. At the same time, if you are using any other blogging platform, then it becomes a paid job and you have to invest a moderate amount to start a basic blog, which is very tough for a newbie blogger. The fourth point is free theme. Blogger has some good themes in its directory. They are absolutely free and easy to use. In their directory, they have around 55 different types of theme, which can be easily customized as per user requirement. Also, you can find numerous amount of custom themes online. There are sites like Goyabi templates, Sora template and many more, which provide high quality and professional looking Blogger themes for free. Since Blogger is hosted on Google server, it becomes very fast and you don't have to worry about themes loading time. The fifth point is SEO friendly. Search engine optimization is one of the most important thing to learn from best blogging experience. Without proper blog optimization, we can't even dream to get impressive traffic from search engines. You will get many functionalities in Blogger for SEO optimization such as custom robot header tags, custom robot.txt. For best SEO practice, you can optimize your blog post titles. Also, image can be optimized from post editor and internal linking can be done too. And that's it. I am more than confident that your initial blog setup should now be finished and ready to go. And all that should have been really damn easy. If by some unfortunate circumstances you get stuck or have any question for me about how to create a blog, just get in touch with me or leave a comment below. I will help you out with any problems. I hope this video will help you to start your first blog. In future, if you really need such kind of videos which is related to Blogger and blogging community, then please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.